In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone as admin Facebook Ads Manager. By the end, you'll confidently grant the right access without compromising your account's security. Start by opening your browser and heading to Facebook Ads Manager. The quickest way is to search for Facebook Ads Manager and click the official result. On that landing page, select Go to Ads Manager. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Facebook credentials. If you use two-factor authentication, have your verification method handy so you can get in smoothly. Once you're in, make sure you're on the correct ad account, especially if you manage multiple clients or brands. You should see the campaign's dashboard. From here, look for ad account settings. Depending on the interface, you may find it in the left sidebar or via a settings gear. Click it to open your account level controls. Scroll down until you see ad account roles. This is where Facebook lists everyone who currently has access and what level they have. To add someone new, click Add People. A pop-up will appear asking for a name or email address. You can start typing the person's name if they're already connected to your business account, or paste the email they use for Facebook. For best results, confirm with them which email is tied to their Facebook profile or business account. Next, assign a role. Use the drop-down to choose the level of access. If you want them to have full control over the ad account, including managing campaigns, billing, and permissions, choose admin. If you only want them to create and manage ads without changing permissions, choose a lower role like advertiser. Take a moment to double-check this choice. Permissions affect what they can see and do, so it's worth getting right. When you're ready, click confirm. Facebook will process the invitation. In some cases, the person may need to accept the invite before their access becomes active. You'll typically see their status as pending until they accept. If they don't receive the invite, ask them to check spam or confirm that you use the correct email. That's it. You've now added someone to your ad account and, if you selected admin, granted them full admin privileges. As a best practice, review your ad account roles periodically to make sure only the right people have the right access and remove unused or outdated permissions. Thanks for watching and happy advertising.